Hello guys. So if you're new to Midjourney and you want to create insane arts using Midjourney, so if that's the case, you've come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, without wasting more time, let's begin. Firstly, what you need is Midjourney. So for getting that, you need to go to a browser and type in Midjourney. Now, just for the information, Midjourney is a paid service that you have to pay and the minimum base plan of Midjourney is $10. So that was just for information. Now, firstly, what you have to do is just simply click on join the beta and then your Discord server will appear. If you have not added Midjourney server in your Discord, just simply click on add to server and then you will have the server of Midjourney. Now, after that, just simply search for the Midjourney bot. If you want to add the Midjourney bot personally into your own server, just like this, as you can see right over here. Or you can also use the Midjourney sections where you can generate arts over here as well. So over here in the Midjourney server, you can just simply generate art in the newbie sections, which you will find over here. As you can see, there are multiple arts that are being created every single second. Now, in my opinion, you should just use the bot in your own server because there will be not so much clutter in your server. So for doing that, just simply click on the bot, then click on add to server, then select the name of your server and then continue. And after you've done that, the Midjourney bot should appear in your server that you just added. Now, how to use Midjourney? So it's a very simple task. All you will do is simply click on the chat section over here and hit backslash. Then the first prompt, which is imagine, you can write or just simply click on this over here, then enter a prompt. Let's say, for example, I want the image of a dog. Now, to get best results in Midjourney, be very specific that you want from him, like what type of image you want, where you want the image to be, and more details if you like. Now, to add aspect ratio, you can just simply write space after the word you have ended, then dash AR, then again space. Now give the aspect ratio, which is 4:3 in my case, then just simply hit enter. Now, while the image is generating, let's see some settings. So for doing that, again backslash, and this time just simply click on the settings over here, then hit enter. Now over here you'll find all the modes that are available in Midjourney, from Midjourney 1 to the latest Midjourney 5.1, and even the raw mode if you want that. So we are currently using the Midjourney 5, and make sure to choose the Midjourney version that you want because every Midjourney version will vary the art that you will generate. So as you can see, it is currently generating from the Midjourney 5.1 variant. Now over here you can also try the style modes, which will increase or decrease the style of your image that will be generated. You can also enable or disable the remix mode, which will allow you to edit or add prompts while you are making variants or doing the entire redo thing. You can also disable the fast mode and public mode if you have the plan for that. So that is the basic of Midjourney, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.